Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you an extreme closet declutter video. I am planning on getting rid of at least 50% of the things that are in my closet. I don't use that stuff anymore. I don't need it in my life anymore. I'm only keeping what serves me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you enjoy my content, I'd love it if you subscribed. And to everybody else, welcome back. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let's get started.
Hey guys, I hope you had an amazing New Year's Eve and New Year's Day and a great start so far to 2021. Can you believe it? We're in a new year, and I am starting off the new year by tackling different areas of my home, and I thought I'd first share with you my closet. So if you've been with me for a while, you know this closet makes me insane. No matter what I do, I feel like I cannot seem to get it organized, or if I organize it, to keep it organized. And so the way I'm going to start by doing this is to just take everything out. It's pretty much the KonMari method. I'm taking out all of my shirts, my jackets, my sweaters, pretty much everything except all of the purses that you saw on the top shelves, because I need to create a system for those and I'm not quite sure yet how to do it. But before we get started, this video is a collab video and I'm so excited to have Katrina introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name's Katrina and I'm an Australian stay-at-home mum to two young ones. I have a 3-year-old boy and an 18-month-old little girl. On my channel, I like to share new motivating homemaking content every week, including cleaning motivation, organisation, weekly grocery hauls and meal plans, meal prep, recipes and easy dinner ideas. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, I would love to have you over on my channel once you are done here to check it out. And if you do, please be sure to leave a comment saying hi, and I hope to see you all very soon.
I'm so excited to have met Katrina. She is becoming a really good friend of mine here on YouTube, and you will love her grocery hauls and her mommy content. So head over to her channel, say hi, and let her know that I sent you. So I knew the only way that I could get any of this sorted out was I had to take everything out of my closet. I did do this. I did do an extreme KonMari declutter. I want to say it was 2 years ago. It was one of my early videos on YouTube, and I got a lot of positive feedback. So I think many of us are kind of feeling the same way, and it doesn't have to be after 2020. Any time in your life when you're feeling stuck or when you're feeling overwhelmed, I think starting with a project like this and decluttering and simplifying your life is always the way to go. So here I'm just going to be sorting through my clothes. Now, a lot of these clothes that you see right here that I am touching right now are old clothes that I used to wear when I had my corporate job, and so I have a lot of suits that is really hard for me to let go, and I know those are sentimental reasons, and I keep thinking, but what if I go back, or but what if I have a meeting, or but what if I need this? And the reality is I don't. Actually, I would only need 2 suits and a couple of shirts to wear underneath them, and I would be all set. So that area I struggled with quite a bit. That, along with my dresses that I've had for many years, and a few of those I had not worn anywhere, and I really felt bad giving those away. But you know what, in the end it wasn't bringing me any joy to have them. It actually was making me feel worse because I wasn't attending any of the things I thought I would be attending or that I used to attend. So I don't want that negativity anymore. I don't want to feel bad when I go into my closet, so I did get rid of a lot of that stuff. I had a goal in mind to get rid of 50%, and I really think I did it, and you'll see it at the end. I'm also trading out so that all my hangers are those black velvet ones. I really like these thin velvet hangers. They hold up really well in the closet and they take up less space than these wooden ones. So I have a mixture of both the wooden and the velvet, and I also have a few of the older plastic ones, and I'm just changing them all out. I recently picked up a box of them at Target, but I believe you can also get them on Amazon, and you can also get them at Costco from time to time. They have like a huge box of them, but I'll link the ones I got at Target because those are the ones I used, and I don't know the ones on Amazon what kind of quality they are, so I will be linking the black velvet ones in there. And I thought initially that it would be pretty easy because I put black hangers on the clothes that I wear the most, but really it wasn't like that once I really got into it. They were all a mix. Some of the stuff I hadn't touched for a really long time, and some of the stuff were things I was wearing regularly, but I was hanging them back up on the wooden hanger. So here you see me switching them out on a few of these items, and the other stuff that I'm throwing down on the ground, that's all the donation pile. I didn't have much for throwaway. Most of my clothes were in still pretty good condition, because usually when I get a stain or a tear or something, if I can't fix it, then I just pretty much get rid of the item right away. So a lot of these things were in really good condition, and hopefully somebody else will use them and have some new beginnings in their life with these clothes, maybe a new job, maybe go to an awesome party, and that makes me so happy.
I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk cause you're using.
So I took a little break and I got back into the closet just to clear off the space on the ground. My mind was starting to get a little cluttered with those mountains of clothes over there. So these baskets I'm putting outside of my closet, those are broken, and I think I do end up using the clear plastic bin. I thought I would use the green one that you saw a little bit earlier, but there's just no space for it in the closet, so I'll use it someplace else in the house. And some of these items I am going to be hanging up, and some of them I will be donating, and some of them I'll be putting away in my drawers. So it just all depends on how it's organized in the end, and hopefully I can find a place to hang everything up.
Where you wanna be, I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
So I decided to put everything in sections. I'm going to have one area only for my cardigans, and like the thicker cardigans, the thinner ones, all of them, and one section for sweaters, another section for kind of the dressier tops that I have, which after decluttering there really is not that much. Up on top over here that you see me hanging right now, those are all going to be sweater jackets, anything with the zip up or anything kind of thicker than a cardigan or sweater. And then over here at the bottom I am just putting my day-to-day tops, things that I would wear regularly, and just easy access. Right when I walk into the closet, I can see that they're there.
Feel the spark, lift you up when you're falling apart. We think we know it all, we stand 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone, when you're naked and broken, nowhere to go?
So after sorting through and really decluttering, I realized I did have more space to hang, so I took some of the items that were on my shelves and I am putting them on these hangers and just putting them in the right spot. These shelves in my closet seriously are the hardest thing for me to work with. I need to come up with a really good system for them. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section for me below. I would really appreciate it.
Somebody know. Be what you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the dice, give it a roll. Get yourself up when you left out alone.
Okay, now we're moving on to the section that I was kind of dreading the most, and that is my dresses and my more formal clothes. So I used to have gowns. I used to have the kind of lifestyle where I had cocktail parties and lots of gatherings, things like that. But in the last few years, I really don't have that lifestyle. So I wanted to keep some of the really nicer items that I thought I could wear maybe in the future. For example, to a cocktail party. I just needed one cocktail dress to keep. And then maybe if I ended up going to some kind of luncheon or a conference, like a luncheon conference type thing, I needed something nice for that. If my husband and I went out on a date night, I wanted to have a dress for that, or for a vacation type situation. So I am getting rid of, like I said, 50% of the stuff here. You can see me taking them off the hangers of things that just were not used at all. And everything else that I think serves a purpose, I'm keeping.
Don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure.
And I did get a separate bag for the dresses. That way when I donate them, I can tell them that these are dresses, and maybe they categorize them or something, but at least that way they're separated from the regular everyday clothes and from my suits. So I grabbed one or two of the bins that were overflowing that were on my shelves, and they are scarves for the most part. I'm just going to fold them out neatly and see if I still want them, if I need them. We are in probably the coldest time in Michigan right now, so I do need scarves. And by the end of the winter, if I don't use those, then I know for sure that it's time to let them go. I don't have that many though. I have maybe 6 or 7 of them. And then in the bin, I decided to put some of the more foldable or the smaller purses that I have, and use that bin for those things so they're not just loosely hanging on my shelves. And then I grabbed the clear bin that I had taken out earlier, and I put my scarves in that one.
I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure.
If you've made it this far in my video, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am so excited to be giving you guys so much new content this year. I have a ton of decluttering, and when I say a ton, I mean I really have so much. We are specifically working on the basement, and we are slowly but surely getting through that, but there is an area in there that I want to take you along with me to organize and declutter. It's our storage room. It's huge and it's full of so much stuff, so I want to make sure that I get all that for you, just to give you the motivation right before springtime to get all your spring cleaning in and your decluttering. And I also wanted to just take a moment to let you know how much you mean to me, and if there are any kinds of videos you want to see in the future, please leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely put those into my videos.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
And of course, there is nothing more satisfying than finally finishing a room and giving it that final vacuum to get those vacuum lines and hear everything getting sucked up in there. It's just so satisfying for me. And now I'm going to show you some satisfying before and after shots. I hope that you really enjoyed this video and that you got some extreme cleaning motivation out of it. Make sure to check out Katrina at Mama Cat. You will love her videos and you will love her content. Make sure you say hi and that I sent you when you head over there. If you're new here, again, welcome. I hope that you choose to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive